you forget all your voices? Should I try to teach it back to you? Never mind. Do you all want your voices back? Don't worry. Papu's here to save the day. Look at this. Hello, boss. We have a big situation here. I want you and Kanmani to come here immediately. Kanmani, we have an emergency.
Is that so?
Yes. Here we come, Papu. Let me on too. No, Kanmani. Oh no, they've started again. I can't take this anymore. Kanmani, I cannot bear the sound of their voices. Can you please do something to save me from this? Oh, is that the problem? No worries. Kanmani, let me down.
Rocket Chitti.
Friends, why not? We're here to save the day. We'll take care of everything. Yes, we'll take care of everything. Hey, Tiger, can you please stop shouting? It sounds bad.
You deserve it, Papu. The tiger's trying to tell us that all you've been doing till now is watch. Why aren't we taking any action?
Huh? Is that what the tiger said? Hey, Tiger, despite losing your voice, you're still so naughty. See? Papu is amazing. Shh. Everyone keep quiet. Chitti the boss is on a mission.
Yes, boss. Wear this and continue your search.
Boss. Hey, boss. Should we name this mission? Mission the Lost Voices or Mission Rescue the Voices? But it's cool, right? What is this? Kanmani, Papu, have a look at this.
Oh, a monster.
We have to stop this monster soon. You sound like a donkey.
Why are you both braying like a donkey? Hey, little monster! Why are you messing with my sister and Papu? Look what I'm going to do to you!
Catch me! Catch me! Catch me! Catch me! Catch me!
Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti, Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti, Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti. Hey, 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 hey. Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti.
Just like that, Mr. Rat. Good job, Mr. Rat.
I caught the
Still, can you give me back my voice? Or I'll spray you with pesticide.
Looks like everyone got their voices back. But it's not so fun anymore. I'm not gonna change the voice of a lion.
Hey, not me, not me!
Look what I'm going to do to you! Ha! I'm coming for you!
Don't do it. Just listen to me. Don't.
Leave me alone, Kanmani. You don't know what you're talking about. Look what I'm going to do to that little rat. Follow me, Mr. Lion. Let's go!
I called it.